Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Altima sun visor. First, gather your tools. You'll need both a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth or towel on your dashboard to prevent any scratches during the process. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement. Now, let's remove the old visor. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry off the small plastic cover located at the base of the visor mount. Once that's off, you'll see two Phillips head screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen and remove both of these screws completely. After the screws are out, gently pull the entire visor assembly straight down and away from the headliner. It should detach easily. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new sun visor and carefully align its mounting bracket with the screw holes in the headliner. Once aligned, insert the two Phillips head screws and tighten them firmly, but don't over-tighten. Finally, take the plastic cover you removed earlier and snap it back into place over the screws. Make sure it clicks securely and your new visor is ready to use. Before you finish, give your new sun visor a quick test. Move it up and down and check if any integrated mirror or light functions properly. To keep your visor looking great, wipe it down occasionally with a soft, damp cloth. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your newly installed visor and happy reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.